Mina ngingusa ngwakamamba lebe ngingulomnye wabo instructor kule course yethu besinayo. Ngifuna ukubeka uqace Mr. CEO neLubombo region ekuthenini we had a wonderful group kulabo coach bethu balapha eSigcawini. Ngithi it was a wonderful group because i-attendance beyikahle inga fluctuate beta onke malanga ba participate actively lesikukhuthatako. Ngingacela nje ukuthi kumbe in future uphinze kubuyele enye i-course la noma sekubuya i-basic bafunze bo coach because kunema teams la ladzinga bo coach labafunzile by group lengicabanga ekuthenini it can go far because of lokuthi khandla kwabo kulento. Sifunzile ke lana safunza ngemntwana bonke labo coach labe bakhona bafunzile ngemntwana. Umntwana ke naba nje bahleti la embi kwethu babantwana labanye beqala emakhaya labanye bekugcina labanye abazange sebathethiswe labanye bayathethiswa but thina sifunzile ngemntwana ukuthi umntwana uphathwa njani. Labo coach ezibaphatha abantwana sibayathi nyalo ekuthenini umntwana lomncane kangaka i-attention yakhe ihamba iphela nini and nase iphelile kufuna wende njani. Laba ke bantwana labancane lesibafunzise ekuthenini bona bafunza kangcono ngekudlala ubadlalisa bona bayajabula. Sifunzile ke lana ngale philosophy ya grassroots ukuthi la ka grassroots kudlala abantwana labanganani bantwana bebafana nemantombazana badlala kanye kusukela kumnyaka wa 6 kuya ku 12. So sikufunzile lokho saphinze safunza ngayo yona le grassroots ekuthenini iyini safunza nge-festival ukuthi le festival besinayo nje lana labantwana labanye babo azange sebayikhahlele ibhola but today bayikhahlelile and labanye babo they would want to participate ebholeni because of the initiative labaniketwe yona lamuhla lapha. So ke sithi ke Mr. CEO lapha labantwana kuyadingeka lokho ukuthi kumbe i-Football Association ibambise Lubombo kube ne-development. We do have players labadlala ka Premier League labasuke khona la and I want to believe at one point in time bake babangangabona laba abantwana. So then ke nasingathatha le initiative yokuthi kube ne-development league la kunengi lesingakuthola kumbe we can get badlali labangcono in future. Benda le festival labantwana you could tell ukuthi this one can make a good player, that one can make a good player. Ngengeva nje lomnye coach athi wena udlala kusithebe wena asho kulenye intombazana lokhu ngendeka ekuthenini beyicala khahlela ibhola lamuhla. So then ke kumbe kungendlali kakhulu Mr. Dlamini MC wethu ngingasho ngithi sibonga kakhulu kuLubombo Regional Football Association kusilethela bo coach labanjena eSigcaweni si enjoyile kakhulu. We hope ngeke bagcine kufunza la batawuqhubekela phambili. Ladies and gentlemen, we had ladies kule course who participated actively kusukela isuka yaze yayophela. We want to believe ukuthi nema teams emantombazana atawuba khona adlale now. Thank you very much.